Welcome to this English learning lesson on goodbye phrases. In this video, you will learn 4 essential ways to say goodbye in English. These phrases are used every day in conversations with friends, family, and colleagues. Learning these expressions will help you end conversations naturally and politely. Here are the 4 main goodbye phrases we will explore today. First, goodbye, which is the most formal and complete way to say goodbye. Second, see you, a friendly and casual phrase used with people you will meet again. Third, take care, which shows concern and warmth for the other person. And fourth, bye, the quickest and most informal way to end a conversation. Goodbye is the most formal way to say goodbye in English. Use this phrase in professional settings, when meeting someone for the first time, or during formal occasions. This phrase is appropriate in all contexts and is recognized universally. It is complete and respectful, making it a safe choice when you are unsure which goodbye phrase to use. See you is a friendly and casual goodbye phrase. Use this phrase with friends, colleagues, or anyone you expect to meet again soon. This phrase is very common in everyday conversations. You can make variations of this phrase by adding time references, such as see you later, see you soon, or see you tomorrow. These variations tell the other person when you might meet again. Take care is a semi-formal goodbye phrase that shows genuine concern and warmth. Use this phrase after meaningful conversations or when you want to express that you care about someone's well-being. This phrase is thoughtful and personal, making the other person feel valued. It is perfect when you want to show that you are thinking about their well-being. Bye is the quickest and most informal way to say goodbye. This phrase is just one syllable, making it perfect for hurried departures. Use bye with close friends and in everyday casual situations. This phrase is so common that it works in almost any informal context. It is the shortest and fastest goodbye expression you can use.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.